gamers, I have some free shit for you. Yep, it's another giveaway. This one is the best giveaway I've literally ever done. What am I giving away, you ask? You know that sexy Xbox One controller I use on my PC to record all of my Let's Play videos? Maybe you don't. Well, it looks like this. The most epic thing imaginable, right? Just look at it. But not only does it come with this. Yeah, this is actually my dirty personal one that I've been using for like 6 months now. Yours looks like this. Comes with this fucking awesome case. And everything you see here. The iHeart Tara Babcock controller from Controller Chaos. And this super sick micro USB to USB cord. So you can use it on the PC if you want. And of course the Xbox controllers are also wireless if you want to just use it for your Xbox One. How fucking awesome is it to have a Tara controller? So it's super easy to enter. You just click the Gleam link in my description. And there's a bunch of different ways you can enter. Follow me on Instagram, follow Controller Chaos on Instagram, and a bunch of other things. Each action gives you 1 or more entries, so you can have a bunch of fucking entries if you do all of them. And once you've done them, it's gonna ask you for your name and your email address privately that won't be shared to anyone but me. After the winner of this beauty is randomly chosen, I will email you for where to ship the controller and if you want it personally autographed with permanent marker, because that's not actually my signature. I've been excited to give one of these away for quite a while. I just never got around to doing it, and I didn't really know how to do giveaways correctly. And then I found out about Gleam and I was like, this is fucking awesome. Let's do it. I want to try to do giveaways as often as possible because you guys are the ones that support my content and make it possible. So if you want this sexy iHeart Tara Babcock controller from Controller Chaos, as well as the case and the cable, just check out the link in the description, do all of the activities, and cross your fingers because we all know praying doesn't work. Good luck! I hope this beauty goes to a really good home. I love you. Should we put a real kiss there? I think we should. Mwah! Value! They're twins! Extreme controllers for extreme gamers! Alright guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, check in the top right in the eye icon for all of the different links and stuff. And good luck! The giveaway lasts 7 days. So you have until next Sunday. Also, if you don't happen to win, you can still buy this controller at controllerchaos.com and the designs on every type of controller that they offer. And if you're having a hard time finding it, my controllers are in the YouTube section. Controller Chaos is a pretty awesome company. You should check them out. This controller runs about $110. I don't know if that includes the USB cable and the cool box. Probably includes the cool box. Look at the zipper things. Alright guys, I'm super hyped about this giveaway. Happy gaming! Once you get it, we get to be controller twins.